Stop panicking about expensive replacements and confusing tech jargon. West LA Computer Expert is here to slay the dragons of PC repair myths and restore your digital sanity. Myth number 1, the reformatting Phoenix myth: your sluggish PC isn't doomed to ashes. We'll clear the clutter, not your memories, with simple tweaks and optimizations that revive your machine without sacrificing your precious files. Myth number 2, the walled garden fallacy: Macs aren't invincible fortresses. Malware can still sneak in, so we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to keep your digital pearly white sparkling clean. Myth number 3, the update apocalypse: don't fear the upgrade. These aren't monstrous beasts, but friendly performance boosters and security shields. We'll help you navigate the update jungle and unleash your PC's full potential. Myth number 4, the techie-only trap: you don't need a magic decoder ring to understand your PC. We'll demystify the tech lingo and empower you with DIY confidence. Stuck on a tricky problem? Our expert knights are always here to guide you through the digital labyrinth. So ditch the myths and embrace reality. West LA Computer Expert is your one-stop shop for all things PC repair. We'll diagnose your woes, craft tailor-made solutions, and get your trusty computer singing again. Come join our community of tech-savvy adventurers and leave the myths in the dust.